In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of unwanted comments on your Facebook Marketplace listings. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're regularly selling items and want to maintain a clean and professional presence on the platform. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Facebook. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're using the Facebook app on your mobile device, the steps will be quite similar, so don't worry if you're not on a desktop. When you're logged in, head over to the left-hand side of your screen or the bottom menu if you're on a mobile device. Look for the marketplace icon. This typically looks like a small storefront. Give that a click and it will take you directly to the Facebook Marketplace. Once you're in the marketplace, you need to find your sales section. So you'll want to look for the selling option. This option may be nested under a menu labeled More or Your Account, depending on your screen size or device. Go ahead and click on Selling, and you should see a list of all your listings. Now that you're viewing your listings, click on the specific product for which you want to manage the comments. This will bring up more detailed information about that particular item, including any questions or comments potential buyers may have posted. To keep your sanity and your page organized, you want to focus on the comments section for that selected item. Next to each comment, there are typically options to interact with it. This is where you can remove any unwanted or inappropriate comments. Simply locate the comment that you don't want displayed and look for an ellipsis or a three-dot menu next to it. When you click on that menu, you will usually see options such as delete or hide. Choose the delete option if you want the comment gone entirely. If you just don't want the comment visible to others but wish to keep it for your own records, you could use the hide option. Decide which one best suits your needs and make your selection. It's always useful to regularly check these comments, especially if the activity on your listings is high. Addressing potential buyers professionally helps maintain a stellar reputation on the platform. If a comment is rude, cryptic, or seems like spam, removing it ensures your legitimate buyers aren't distracted or deterred by irrelevant chatter. That's it. With these simple steps, you can maintain control over your Facebook Marketplace listings, ensuring they remain friendly, informative, and directly related to your products. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in keeping your online selling experience positive and efficient. Happy selling!